Ngokwamazwi kaTata Madiba, imfundo ngesona sixhobo esingasetyenziswa ukutshintsha ihlabathi. Intsingiselo yala mazwi ibonakele ngethuba abafundi abangama-16,000 bethathe inxaxheba kwitumente yecoding kwiindawo ezingama-80.
For me, the focus of this is Nelson Mandela's famous quote that's saying, the daughter of a peasant can become a doctor, and the children of farm workers can become a president. And that's what we're trying to show here. Kids that are in rural, small towns across the world now that have never coded before. We've made them hungry now, and they can become software developers one day.
Abafundi bafundiswe isakhono secoding besebenzisa i-app ebizwa ngokuba yi-Ranger app. Abafundi bebedibanisa iingxenye zepuzzle ezineekhowudi zokuvavanya kuzo. Ipuzzle nganye edityanisiweyo ibilinyathelo elisondeleyo ekusindiseni imikhombe kubazingeli.
And when I learned more, where Ms. Roberts actually taught us and walked us through steps with coding, I learned that in coding, actually teamwork is the main thing, where you voice out what you think is right, and we all try together and see if it works or not. Winning is not really the main, but you know, it was really an amazing experience. Today we actually honored Madiba, and it was really amazing.
Emva kwethuba aba bafundi bekhuphisana, isikolo samabanga aphantsi saseThekwini I-Sunford sifumene iwonga lokuba zintshatheli zaletumente. Nangona kunjalo, isikolo saseGqeberha I-Parsons Hill ngesona siphume phambili kwelona xesha likhawulezileyo.
This event really we didn't win, but we came 11th in the world, fastest in the world. It was fun. We had fun, even though we didn't win. We're still positive. We're leaving with a positive spirit. Yeah, it was a great event. I love it.
Unjingalwazi Greleng uvakalise ukuba banqongophele abaphuhlisi besoftware yaye uthi itumente ezinje zenzelwe ukuvelisa abantu abanesi sakhono.
It's desperation. Yeah, in Gqeberha alone, our university, for example, produces 80 to 90 graduates per year in software development. There's one company in the city that needs to employ 150 in the next 2 years. That's one company. So in South Africa and most of Africa, the Western world, Europe, North America, there's a desperate shortage of software developers. And we are trying to entice, especially primary school kids, to say, hey, have you ever heard of software development? Start dreaming now becoming a software developer. And we send them away from these events saying, now you go and work on your maths. You need a good matric so you can come and study with us.
Letumente inkulu nesajonge ukukhula ngakumbi ithe yamanya abafundi. Aba bafundi bathe bafumana ithuba lokunxulumana nabafundi bamanye amazwe. Kwiindaba zase-MPK TV, Sinaye Ntshundu, Gqeberha.